Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into App Store and downloading Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. When it's ready, open it. Then click on Get Started. Log in to one of your accounts or just select Not Now. Tap on one of the available options to decide if you wish to allow notifications to receive tips and updates from Microsoft SwiftKey. In my case, not sure. Then click on No or Yes. And finally close Microsoft app. Then go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access the General section. Now click on Keyboard and tap on Keyboards at the top. Finally, if you can't see SwiftKey over here, tap on Add New Keyboard. Click on it over here and then tap on the switcher next to Allow Full Access. Lastly, choose Allow in the pop-up and close Settings. Now you need to access Microsoft SwiftKey app again and hold this globe at the bottom left corner. Now if you can't see Microsoft Keyboard, you need to select it from the list. Finally, select Next. Now click on Themes section at the top right corner and tap on one of those in order to apply it. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to SwiftKey app and this time tap on Design Your Theme at the top. Click on OK and choose Allow for Access to select a photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Tap on the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. You can also rotate it. When you finish, tap on Next at the top right corner. Then adjust the background darkness by swiping left or right. Click on one of those options to change key pop-up color. And also select one of those options to select the best key background for you. In my case, no borders. When you're done, just click on Insert Name at the top and name your theme however you wish to. Lastly, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!